Jai Srimannarayana. 22nd sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ananyaha Chintayanto Mam Ye Janaha Paryupasate Tesham Nityabhiyuktanam Yogakshemam Vahami Aham. Om. A mother doesn't feel it is an extra work to take care of her child. A mother doesn't feel pain in serving her own child. A mother doesn't put extra effort to think about her child. So also, like that, you should be thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma all the time. You should be serving Sri Krishna Paramatma all the time. You should be visualizing Sri Krishna Paramatma's presence in each and every entity in this entire universe and start serving this universe. You should be always engaging yourself with Sri Krishna Paramatma in each and every form. Then Krishna Paramatma takes the charge of your prosperity and welfare as long as you are in this body, and then after this body, Sri Krishna Paramatma takes the responsibility to take yourself to his own abode and takes responsibility to keep yourself with him all the time. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry, Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please help me to think about yourself all the time as and how a mother thinks about her own child. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that if I engage myself with you all the time, you are the one who will be taking charge of my prosperity and my welfare, and you are the one who will be taking responsibility to take me to you and keep me with you all the time after this life. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 98th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Garga Mahamuni reached Nandavrajam. Nanda Maharaju gave all kind of warm reception and did services to Garga Mahamuni, and saying like this, O Prabhu, you are such a great enlightened person. You are complete person. Brahman Purnasya Karavama Kim. Serving you is our dharmam. And please let me know what do you want and what can we do for you. Please order us. Mahat Vichalanam Runam Gurhinam Deenachetasam Nishreyasaya Bhagavan Kalpate Nanyadha Kvachit. Voorakararu Mahatmulu Varu అధముల ఇండ్ల కడకు వచ్చుట ఎల్లన్ కారణము మంగళములకున్ నీరాక శుభంబు మాకు నిజము మహాత్మా. ఓ మహాత్మా, you like great people, Brahmavetas coming to our houses and Grahasthas houses definitely brings great amount of welfare to us. And O Mahatma, you have such a great amount of knowledge. You know past and future. Such, O Mahatma, నీ చాతుర్యంబున ఈ కుమారులకు సంస్కారంబు గావింపవే. త్వం హి బ్రహ్మ విదాం శ్రేష్ఠః సంస్కారాన్ కర్తుమర్హసి. Such, O great enlightened person, O Mahatma, you please do naming ceremony and other samskaras to our children. Like that, Nanda Maharaju requesting Garga Mahamuni. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th chapter 22nd శ్లోక. అనన్యాశ్చింతయంతో మాం ఏ జనాః పర్యుపాసతే తేషాం నిత్యాభియుక్తానాం యోగక్షేమం వహామ్యహం. అనన్యాశ్చింతయంతో మాం ఏ జనాః పర్యుపాసతే తేషాం నిత్యాభియుక్తానాం యోగక్షేమం వహామ్యహం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.